Welcome back to Boundless Books. Today we are diving into chapter 14 of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, titled Cornelius Fudge. In this chapter, the stakes are raised as fear grips Hogwarts. Hagrid is arrested under suspicious circumstances and Dumbledore is temporarily removed from his position as headmaster. Join us as we uncover the critical events that set the stage for the next steps in Harry and Ron's journey. The aftermath of another attack. Following another petrification incident, paranoia and fear increase among the students and staff at Hogwarts. The school enforces even stricter rules, limiting movement and interactions to ensure safety. Harry, Ron and Hermione remain determined to uncover the mystery, even as suspicion and danger grow around them. Investigating Hagrid's past, Harry and Ron, armed with the information from Tom Riddle's memory in the diary, decide to confront Hagrid. They hope he can shed light on the events from 50 years ago and his supposed connection to the Chamber of Secrets. The arrival of Cornelius Fudge and Lucius Malfoy. Before they can speak with Hagrid, a dramatic interruption occurs. Cornelius Fudge, the Minister of Magic, arrives at Hagrid's hut, accompanied by Lucius Malfoy. Fudge announces that Hagrid is being arrested as a precautionary measure. Though there is no concrete evidence against him, the Ministry wants to show they are taking action to reassure the wizarding community. Hagrid's cryptic message. As Hagrid is escorted away to Azkaban, he leaves behind a mysterious clue for Harry and Ron. Follow the spiders. Despite the sadness of his arrest, this clue provides the boys with their next lead in unraveling the mystery, Dumbledore's suspension. To Harry and Ron's shock, Lucius Malfoy announces that the school governors have voted to suspend Dumbledore as headmaster. Malfoy's smug demeanor suggests he had a hand in this decision, possibly using his influence and connections. Before leaving, Dumbledore, like Hagrid, leaves Harry and Ron with a cryptic hint. Help will always be given at Hogwarts to those who ask for it. The weight of responsibility. With Dumbledore gone and Hagrid in Azkaban, Harry and Ron feel the weight of the mystery pressing down on them. They realize the task of uncovering the truth behind the Chamber of Secrets now rests squarely on their shoulders. Key moments in the chapter include the growing fear and restrictions at Hogwarts following another attack, Cornelius Fudge's arrival and Hagrid's arrest despite a lack of evidence. Hagrid's clue, Follow the Spiders, as a key lead for Harry and Ron. Dumbledore's suspension, orchestrated by Lucius Malfoy, and his cryptic advice to Harry and Ron. Differences between the book and movie. In the movie, the sequence of events leading to Hagrid's arrest and Dumbledore's suspension is condensed. The dialogue is more concise and the emotional tension is less pronounced compared to the book. The book delves deeper into Fudge's nervousness, Hagrid's bravery, and the implications of Dumbledore's absence, making it feel more impactful. That wraps up chapter 14, Cornelius Fudge. This chapter intensifies the stakes with Hagrid's arrest and Dumbledore's removal, leaving Harry and Ron to navigate the mystery on their own. What do you think of Hagrid's cryptic message? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for chapter 15.